Hey guys, how are you today? It's Pretty Project and today we have a new video from HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In this video, if you watch the thumbnail, you know. In this video, we want to create all of the chatbots in one chatbot, in one website. Now we want to create one website. It have all of the chatbots like Copilot, like ChatGPT, like Jeremy, and all of this, and I learn to you how you can get an API from one website and add it into your program for adding your own chatbot. For example, you want to add black box, so I learned to you how you can get the API from black box and then add it to your website. And let's start. Here we want one HTML tag. Here we say all chatbots in one, for example. And then here we want 3a tag, br3, we want 3br, and between these BRs we want 2BR, we want some 3BR. Between these 2BR we want a tags, a tag and a tag. Here, for example, we write Jeremy HTML, Copilot HTML, and ChatGPT, for example. Then here we write the name of that, ChatGPT. Then here, for example, we write Copilot, and for here Gemini dot Gemini, the name of this, and it's finished. The HTML of the index is finished. Now we want to write the CSS code of this program. Let's start. First we want to write some tag for body, some styles for body, display flex decoration, column, alignment items, center, justify content, center, hide 100 VH, background color sharp 14, 5A, 32, and margin to 0. It's finished. We're going to A. Display inline block, font family Arial, padding 10 pixel, 20 pixel, and width 500 pixel. Text align to center, background color sharp 27, 37, 46. The color should be sharp 56, 65, 73. Text decoration should be none because we don't want any lines. And border radius 5 pixel. Font size 20 pixel, and one transition, background color, background dash color, 0.3 second, and let's run it. We don't link it. Link CSS, and it's very beautiful, very beautiful. Let's write the ChatGPT codes. Let's go for starting with HTML of the ChatGPT, and then CSS, and last JS. Okay. HTML5 should be here. We write chat, and chat GPT link to ChatGPT dot CSS, and now I know why. Let's delete this CSS files because we don't want it. I say too because why we don't want these CSS codes? Because we write all of these websites like together. For example, the CSS codes of the ChatGPT likes the Dynamic, and Dynamic it's like the co-pilot, so we want only one CSS code. Only the HTML codes are going to change. We want to on div dot chat dash container. We want one hashtag ChatGPT BR div class chat box and for the ID we should write chat box again. Again BR input type text ID user input placeholder type message or chat GPT 3 dots, and then we want one BR and one button for sending ID send BTN. Here we write send. And here we write a script src chat gpt.js. Also we have this HTML for the Gemini. I write it here, but here I write it Gemini Now the age tag, it should be changed, and Copilot again, the age tag is have difference, and other things are like this ChatGPT and Gemini. Let's write a CSS codes for the this ChatGPT. It's we want to write it 2 lines because it's it have some CSS codes. It's a little hard. The CSS codes is a little hard, but body font family to Arial, display flex, justify content center, and alignment items should be center, height 100 VH, margin 2, 0, background color to sharp 14, 5, 832, H1, margin from left 113 pixel, dot chat container, I want to check it because we want to link all of this to one CSS code. ChatGPT.css and Gemini to ChatGPT.css. And margin from, no, let's write background color. Background color sharp ABB 2B9, border radius 8 pixel, box shadow 0 to 10, RGB all, 0 red, 0 green, and 0 for the blue, but 0.1 for the alpha. Width 400 pixel, max dash width 90%, padding 20 pixel, display flex, flex decoration cool, but chat box flex 1, overflow from Y, auto, margin button 10, padding 10, border 10 and 1 pixel solid, short DDD, border radius 4 pixel, height 300 pixel, width 385 pixel. Dot chatbox div margin 5 pixel to 0. Why we write one margin for this div? Because we want to show the message of the user and the message of the chatbot in this margin. So we want to have one the message of the chatbot in this div, so we should have one margin, we should have one space for showing these messages. And then dot user text align. Let's check for the user we write it correct or not, because I think I write something wrong. Sorry. Here I should write it ID for it. And it's correct, don't worry. Let's go. Dot user text align right, color blue. It's the text of the user want to show. Dot bot, the bot text. For answer we say text align left and color green. Input type text, and here padding 10, meaning dash that inputs we have 10 pixel, border 1 pixel solid, sharp ABB 2B9, background color should be sharp D5 D8 DC, border radius 4 pixel, margin from right 10 pixel, width 385 pixel, and font width 2 bold, and flex to 1. It's finished. For the button tag, padding 10 pixel, 15 pixel, border to none, background color sharp 27, 37, 46, color width white, and border radius 4 pixel, carousel pointer, font width boulder with 405 pixels, and it's finished. Let's check it. Refresh it and it's very beautiful. Wow. Also we have it for Copilot and we have it for Gemini, and it's very beautiful. Let's write the not backend, but the JS codes, the main codes for the website. Let's go. And I say to you how you can get API. We want to have different JS codes because we want a different API for the JS code in the programming. Constant variable, chat box. Okay, sorry for this pause. I'm going to copy this DOMs and paste it here. Now we want to get the API from the OpenAI website. Here you should, in this variable, you should write the address of your API. It's for all of the APIs, it's same. And here you should write HTTPS or HTTP. It's not have any difference, but for the safety and SSL, API dot openai.com /v1 /chat completion. And for your API key, you should going to the www.openai.com and then you're logging to your account and add one secret IP and get your API. Secret API, add the one secret API and get your API. Send button dot add events listener to click. Send messenger. And user input dot add event listener to key press. E and here we write if dot key equal enter send message. And then it's finished. This event listener is finished. We want one function. So we write function, the name is send messenger, open and closed. We want one variable, constant message user input dot value dot trim. Open and close. If message false, we write if false message return 0. append message user message user input dot value no feature response message, and it's finished. Now we want one function append message open and close. We open it, constant message div equal document dot create element the div tag message div dot class name equals sender message div dot text content equal message and chatbot dot append child message div chatbox dot scroll top equal chatbox dot scroll height, and also this function is finished. Function the name is feature response and the prompts should be, I think so, message. Yes. Now here we are going to write on try and catch. Here catch error first. Let's write the catch console dot error fetching response is error and append message but sorry, something went wrong, and it's in the try we write constant response is the wait fetch your API URL, and it's Here it's meaning Copilot API. I have it. Pilot API URL, meaning the name of it. Finish. Here we want one method post. Wow, method equal post and for the headers is content type is application/JSON and authorization equal beer $sign API key. But here we don't have any API key, we should get it. And body is JSON dot stringify prompt message, and it's finish. Wow. Data equal await response.json open and close append message. But and data dot response. But here for the append message you should write sender, forgetting sender, one parameter, and message. Wow, it's finished. And watch here, I write it also for the Copilot, but here you should go into Google and find the API website of the Copilot and get the website and paste it here. Then get the API key and paste it here. For Gemini also you should write it like this. We run it and we get it. We don't have any difference here because we write only JS, and because I don't have any API keys because I'm in Iran and I can't get any API key from ChatGPT and other websites, I can use this program. But if you like this project, you can like the video and subscribe the channel and share the video for your friends, Also, if you have any question, you can write it at comments, and if you want to help me, please subscribing the channel. Thank you so much, and like always, here's with the project, and goodbye.